Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a deeply moisturizing and firming body lotion using coffee, cinnamon, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, urea, and almond oil. This simple DIY recipe is packed with powerful ingredients that work together to improve skin firmness, smoothness, and hydration. Perfect for fighting cellulite and keeping your skin glowing. Let's talk about the star ingredients. The caffeine in coffee is known for its ability to improve blood circulation, reduce puffiness, and target cellulite, leaving your skin smoother and firmer. Cinnamon enhances this effect with its warming properties, boosting circulation and contributing to the overall tightening effect. Plus, both coffee and cinnamon are rich in antioxidants, helping to protect your skin and maintain a youthful appearance. To balance the firming properties, I've added intensely hydrating ingredients like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, and urea. Those ingredients lock in moisture, improve elasticity, and leave your skin feeling soft and nourished from the very first use. The lightweight consistency of this lotion absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, making it perfect for daily use. A little bonus is that I also use this lotion as a face cream. It works wonders for reducing puffiness under the eyes and leaves my face feeling smoother, softer, and more hydrated. However, this lotion isn't suitable for everyone. If you have sensitive or vascular skin, you might want to avoid it, as coffee and cinnamon may cause redness and worsen broken capillaries. Now let's make 200 grams of this amazing lotion. Start by measuring 2 tablespoons of ground coffee and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. Pour around 200 ml of distilled water and place the mixture in a water bath. While the infusion is brewing, weight your fat-free ingredients: 6 grams of emulsifier, 10 grams of cetyl alcohol, and 40 grams of almond oil. Remove the coffee infusion from the water bath and set aside for a moment to allow the infusion to brew even more. Meanwhile, melt the fat-free ingredients together until fully dissolved. Once the coffee infusion is ready, strain it through a fine cloth or coffee filter to remove any particles. Measure out 120 grams of the infusion and set aside a small portion of it, about 3 tablespoons, to cool completely. Measure 6 grams of urea and add cooled coffee and cinnamon infusion to it. Stir until the urea dissolves completely. Next, gradually combine the fat phrase with still hot coffee infusion while mixing continuously. As the mixture cools, it will thicken into a creamy consistency. Add the dissolved urea, followed by 10 grams of glycerin, 3 grams of hyaluronic acid, and 2 grams of vitamin E. Then add 2 grams, around 40 drops of preservative to extend the shelf life. For a cozy scent, I used 15 drops of coffee fragrance oil to boost the original coffee smell and 5 drops of vanilla oil. But feel free to customize the fragrance to your liking. Mix everything one last time and your lotion is ready. With the preservative, this lotion can be stored at room temperature for up to 6 months. Without it, it's best to prepare a small batch, store it in the fridge and use it within a week. And don't forget, always disinfect your utensils and workspace when making natural cosmetics. I would love to hear what body care products you reach for during the cooler months. Do coffee and cinnamon scents bring you cozy seasonal vibes too? Let me know in the comments below. If you would like to support my channel and help me continue creating content like this, consider joining my membership program. You will find the link in the description box below. Your support by watching and engaging with my videos already means the world to me, and I can't thank you enough for that. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!